Running your own business can be both rewarding and fun, but it does not end there. Alongside all the joys and the rewards are pressures that make doing business very stressful. For many entrepreneurs, the most common source of stress is the workload. As people would say, if you want to become successful, you have to work extra hours. This is particularly what is happening on many entrepreneurs. They work harder and longer. And the pressure is different if you are running your own business than working 40 hours a week. Stress also mounts up because of several tasks related to work added by the responsibilities at home. Usually, moms have tasks at work at the same time, have to do chores at home. Further task is contributed by the responsibilities to her kids. Another stressor is the financial aspect of the business. Seldom do we see businesses without debt. Most of them have a certain amount of loan somewhere that needs to be paid. This causes great stress on the part of the entrepreneur, balancing of funds and converting all the expenses into income. Getting back the investment quickly adds stress to the entrepreneur as well. Entrepreneurs have to make decisions correctly and quickly. And for those who are only beginning to introduce themselves to this kind of environment, it may be very stressful. All these contribute to the problem of an entrepreneur. To reduce the stress from these, here are some things you can do. Start at your desk. Clutters can contribute to the present stress you are experiencing. So before doing something today, make sure that you clean up all the mess and put away the things that do not have to be on your desk. A clean desk will be more pleasant to work on. Devise a system. Daily planners will make things easier for you. If you have lots of things to do not intend to finish them all at the same time. Make a schedule when to do this and when to do that. Thinking of all the tasks that need to be done will not solve your problem. Do them one at a time. In this way, you will certainly accomplish one after another. Multiply yourself. If you think you cannot do an enormous task on your own, hire people who can help you. Remember that one good trait of a successful entrepreneur is that he knows when to seek help. 2 heads are better than 1, and 4 hands are better than 2, right? Make a business plan. Every day, you are tasked with several things to do. In order to get things organized, it would be better to make a plan and stick to that plan. This will keep you on track and prevent you from doing things that you don't need to do. Remember that time is crucial in running your own business. Time means money, so better make the most out of every second that passes. Make sure that you know where you are heading at with the plan you have devised. Designate tasks. You cannot do everything. But even if you do, you cannot make it efficiently. Why? Because you are too occupied with the thought that you have so many things to do. Make sure that you designate tasks to the right person. In this way, things would not be so hard and things will be done fast. Learn the business every day. As days progress, you will surely have some rises and falls. These are called experiences. Learn something from these experiences so that the next time you encounter the same thing, you would know what to do. In this way, you will avoid the same mistake you have done before. And finally, relax. Stressing too much will not do any good to you. What you should do is to relax. This will let you think properly. Remember that you are making crucial decisions every now and then, and you cannot make correct decisions if you're always tense. Take time to breathe and take time to clear your mind from all the worries in front of you. Soon enough, you are back on track, better and livelier.